Hi everyone, welcome to Prakritism. First of all, let me say I'm not a motivation speaker, but I believe we all have that ability inside us, and we all might have motivated at least one person in our life in any of the situations. Today, I just happened to see a quote saying, "Change your life today, don't gamble on the future, act now without delay." So when I was reading this quote, I thought, yeah, I should share this to my viewers. We all have dreams. Some will come true without doing anything and some will not. I must say, whatever have come true till now without doing anything are just bonus. And the dreams which are yet to come true, if we put some hard work and effort, you can really make it happen. No doubt on that. So start working on your dreams and make it happen. When we were in our college, we used to think like, okay, I'll finish my studies, do some job, earn money, and I'll fulfill whatever my parents wish. We will not do anything for us. Whatever we had in our childhood days, the dreams which we used to see in our childhood days, we forget all those dreams and we just live with the flow. And when you start working, you will think, yeah, I have to do something of my own in the next years. And you will reach 30 and years will go and you will reach 50. The thought will be the same throughout the year. But after 50, you will start thinking, oh, if I had done something during my younger age, I would have achieved something by now. So this is how we all are. Like during the younger age or the right time, when we have the right time, we will not do anything. We will keep on saying like, okay, I have many more years ahead, I will do it later. And when we reach to a position where we are like, it's too late that we can't do anything, and we feel so disappointed. Actually, this is how you make your life worthless. Don't feel disappointed for what you haven't done till now. Just wake up and start acting to make your dreams come true. Definitely, you will face failures initially, but just take it as an inspiration so that you can make your journey a successful story for others. Okay. If the speech should change at least one person, then I am happy. And I will take it as an inspiration for my more videos. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching.